Introducing the applications of the Chongqian series Smart Scene panel. This panel is installed in heart, personalized dining room, bedroom, bathroom, home theater, and other areas. For integrating systems suited to various spaces, for example, lighting, curtains, air conditioning, floor heating, ventilation, audio. The Redline Smart Scene panel coordinates all multifunctional features seamlessly. When leaving the home theater setup, use the one-key exit mode to turn off lights, music, and equipment in sequence.